Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota Tundra 4x2 Limited. It is going to be a CrewMax, and it is in the cement gray with the graphite leather interior. Coming to our options on the window sticker, we do have the limited premium package as well as the sunroof, stealth black running boards, paint protection film, and the phone charger for a total of $47,901. Gas mileage 13 city, 18 highway, 15 combined. Coming down here to our wheels, we're riding on Bridgestone tires, and these are going to be your 20-inch alloys. Coming around back, as you can see, some mud guards, as well as rear parking sensors, backup camera, and you do have the tow package on this vehicle also. Just go ahead and press the unlock on your key twice to unlock all your doors. And then climbing in, this one does have 30 miles on it. Go ahead and insert our key and twist to start. Now let's check out underneath the hood. Now underneath the hood you do have the tried and true 5.7 liter dual overhead cam I-Force V8, producing 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the rear wheels in this example, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now you do have the larger 38-gallon tank and the tow package on this vehicle. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Of your side mirrors, they are going to be chrome. You also do have your blind spot monitoring integrated right in. Checking out that graphite leather interior, it is going to be two-tone. You also do have all your power adjustments down below with power lumbar. Coming to your door panel, some graphite stitched leather padded right here. Padded armrest with your power windows, front two automatic, power locks, and your JBL premium audio with your door storage. Over here to the left of the wheel, we also do have our power mirrors, dome light, bed light, automatic high beams, headlamp height, as well as your rear power window. Now we'll go ahead and climb in. And coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions. Over on the left, you do have your audio, voice commands, and Bluetooth, and then over on the right, it's just going to be your 4-way D-pad for your center screen. You also do have your dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, and your main cruise stalk down below. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, and your blinkers. You do have tap to 3 blinks, and then your variable intermittent speed wipers over here on the right. Now checking out your audio system, this is going to be AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs all going through that premium JBL head unit. Going to your apps, you have your navigation right here. It's going to be a full-fledged head unit with HD traffic. Destination input can be an address, a point of interest, or you can designate 6 different presets down below right there. Home is a split screen view that you can customize in your settings with a 2-panel or 3-panel. And then below that, you do have your dual zone auto climate control with your driver and front passenger temperature, fan speed and zones, front and rear defrost, and you do also have some heated mirrors. Tri-stage heated seats as well. Below that, 2 12 volts in your audio inputs, as well as your trailer brake control, trailer haul, parking sensors, and such like that. Various cup holders, and then this is going to be that 6-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera right up top. Limited badging and a nice padded armrest with your manuals and a 12-volt down in there. Glove box nice and damp with your phone charger. You also do have the auto dim mirror with garage home link. Mirror and vanity light on your sliding visor. Sunglass storage, and you also do have your automatic sunroof. And we'll close that up. But that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, with this being the CrewMax, you do have abundant room. And as you can see, you can fold up the bottom cushion for a 60-40 split to hide some valuables in here if you want to keep them out of the bed. But lowering that back down, as you can see, we do have plenty of room for 3 across. And climbing in, all your door panel materials follow through. With the front seat set by a 5'9" frame, limo-like room back here, I can literally stretch out and have plenty of room. We do have rear seat vents, a 12-volt, as well as a seat mount pocket. And then over here to my right, a nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable rear headrest for all 3 passengers, and then this full power glass does lower down. Adjustable rear seat belts, damped recording handles and coat hooks, as well as some lift up handles over there on the B pillar. Nice view of the dash right there. The CrewMax is the way to go if you plan on carrying passengers back here. But let's go ahead and check out that bed and we can wrap up our video. And coming around back, we do have the 5.5 foot bed configuration on this CrewMax model. Locking your tailgate, that is damped. And it's going to be a double walled bed. You also do have your rail system on all 3 sides to tie down larger items. Easy up tailgate as well, which is a nice feature. And you do also have your trailer package with all of your necessary hookups and such. But that'll wrap it up for the 2019 Toyota Tundra Limited 4x2 CrewMax. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All their information is in the description below. But once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.